You good?
Sir, we need these? No?
Hey, good thing we didn't try to go up this one.
Yeah.
All right, no hills. So, Blake, come on over here and walk down in the gutter. Once you pull our ring a little bit forward, yep. So that we don't, these guys do slide, they don't slide into our ring. So. Chris, can they get out?
Wait. One more time. Try it again. Yep. You may want to back it up.
Yeah.
It's the damn door keeps getting in the way. All right. Watch it behind you.
Sorry, I'm not
You're not going to be able to help you. I've got yak track, so it's all good.
Thank you.
I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, but. All right, here we go. We got it. You got it. Yep, there you go. Are you hurt? Do you want me to help you get up?
Yeah, please.
I don't want to hurt you if you're already hurt.
Over there.
Say what?
Over there.
Say again?
This is nice.
Yeah.
Over there.
Can you get up?
Yeah, there. Right there.
Here, let me. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. You got it. Yep. Hold on. Hold on, let me get two hands. Hold on. You good? Here, grab your pen.
No.
No?
No.
Hang on, let me. Stay there. Stay there. Really?
Oh my God.
Grab both my hands. You got it?
No.
Are you hurt?
My knee's not working.
Your knee's no good.
No.
Hold on, let me go behind you.
Okay.
You got it? You good? You good? I'm gonna let go of you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. You're good.
Thank you, sir. Sorry.
You trying to go down the next block?
Yeah, we're going to Pike Place.
Okay. Let me. Oh man. Here, hold on. I'm sliding too. Hold on. Let's go over here.
Yeah, sounds good.
Here. Hold on.
Oh, sir. Thank you so much. Do they close the street?
I'll let you go down here. Oh man, you're all bloody.
Yeah, I think I hit my lips or something. You hit your lips? Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, you got pretty busted up. I'll drive up this.
Can I drive this?
No. Had it for a bit.